About question number 1. Right circular cylinder, its base is 3 centimeter and the height 5 centimeter. Then its volume equal space. We have right circular cylinder, and we know area of the base multiplication by height, it will be equal the volume of circular cylinder, area of the base times by height equals the volume. Then the volume will be equal area of the base will circle, it will be by r power 2, area of the base, product by height. Okay, he give us in this example the height was 5 and the radius was 3. Then by product by 3 power 2, it will be 9. Product by height was 5. 5 times 5 times 9 equal 45 by cubic centimeter. Question number 2. Cubic root of 54 subtract cubic root of 2. We can write 54 here, factorize it, divided by 2. It will be 2 times what? 27. 5 divided by 2 equal 2 and the remainder 1. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 27 divided by 3 equal 9. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. And choosing 3 digits here, write one of them outside here. Then the result will be 3 cubic root of 2. Subtract cubic root of 2. 3 minus 1, it will be 2 cubic root of 2. It's the result. Question number 3. The order of the pair, we have 2 and k, satisfies the relation here between y and x. Y subtract 2x equal 1. We can put x equal 2 here and y equal k, because this point satisfies this equation. Then this point will be lies in this equation in straight line if you draw in the graphically. So you can put k equal y here, subtract 2, product by x 1, then k minus 4, it will be 1, then the value of k, it will be 5. Next question. The conjugate of this expression, or we must convert in the first step this fraction 1 over root 5 plus 2. You must simplify it in the first step by product by root 5 minus 2 here and root 5 minus 2 here. 1 times root 5 minus 2, it will be exactly, and root 5 minus times root 5, it will be 5, and 2 times 2, it will be 4. Then this number in the simplest form will be equal root 5 minus 2 over 1. Then it's the value about this expression. But you want to find the conjugate. Then the conjugate will be equal root 5 plus 2. You must change the sign about this fraction. Then the result will be root 5 plus 2. Choose letter A. Question number 5. The slope of straight line passed through 3y and 5 and negative 2 equal negative 3, then y equal. We have 2 points, 3 and y, 5, negative 2. Slope, give us the slope equal negative 3. Then you can write negative 2 minus y over 5 minus 3 equal negative 3. Then negative 2 minus y over 2 equal negative 3. Then negative 2 minus y equal 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Then negative y will be equal, move the here, it will be negative 6 plus 2. Then negative y equal negative 4. Then the value of y, it will be equal 4. It's the value of y equal 4. Question 6. The intersection point of ascending and descending cumulative frequency curve determined space on the z-axis. In x-axis here, we want to find the value of the median. If we have two curve here, such that this, in the y-axis, we can find the order of the median, and x-axis, we can find the median. You want to find in x-axis, then the result will be median. Choose letter A, the result will be A. But if you want you want to find the z-axis, here the z, okay, the z-axis, okay, but here frequency. On the z-axis, we can find the median, but in the frequency, we can find the order of the median. But so in this example, you must choose letter A. But if you want to change this word right frequency, the result will be order of the median. Complete the following. Number 1, if the lowest boundary of set 8 and upper boundary is 12, then the center equal, we can find the center. You can eat the lowest plus upper divided by 2, 8, 12 divided by 2, 8 plus 12, 20 divided by 2 equal 10. Number 2, if x, root x equal square root of 2 plus 1, we want to find the value of x. We can find the value of x by put power 2 here and power 2. Root x power 2 it will be x, and root 2 power 2 it will be 2, and 1 power 2 it will be 1, and write 2 times 1 times root 2, 2 times 1 2, 2 times root 2 equal 2 root 2. Then the value of x it will be 2 root 2 plus 2 plus 1 equal 3. Next question, the mode of the value, which is the most repeating. The most digit here was repeating. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have in the mode here is none. We have in the mode here because we haven't the mode. The mode it's meaning which digits the most repeating, but we haven't here any digit was repeating. 4, 5, 6, 8, 7. Each number here was right one only. We haven't any number was repeating here. Okay, then we must none, write none. Question number 4. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Complete the pattern. We have root 2 and root 8, root 18, root 32. Write root 2. Root 8 equal 4 times 2 equal 2 root 2, and 18 9 times 2, square root of 9 equal 3, and root of 32 equal 16 times 2. The square root of 16 it will be 4. Then 1 root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, 5 root 2 is the last question here. You must write in the pattern 5 root 2, 5 root 2, or you can write what? Put 5 inside. 5 times itself 25, 25 times 2 equal 50. Then the result here will be root 50 or 5 root 2. You can write root 50 or write 5 root 2 as you like. It's exactly the result. Okay, question number 5. If the median of the values here is 10, then it will be what? First step, we must arrange all the values ascending or descending order. A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3, A plus 4, A plus 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, he tell us the median was 10. The median here will be A plus 3. It's the middle. Equal 10. Then the value of A equal 7. A will be equal 7. Next question. Find in R solution set about this inequality for less than 3x plus 1. Less than 10. We must cancel 1 by A, the derivative of it. 4 minus 1 less than 3x plus 1 minus 1 less than 10 minus 1. 4 minus 1 equals 3, and cancel 1 by 1. The result will be 3x less than 10 minus 1 equal 9, and then we can divide it by 3, then 1 less than x less than 3, and then you can draw solution set in the number line 1 2 3, 1 open, 2 3 opened. Then the solution set will be open interval from 1 to 3. The solution set about this example. Okay, question number 2. We have 2x minus 3 all power 3 equal 125. You can simplify it by write 2x minus 3 equal cubic root of 125, then 2x minus 3 equal cubic root of 125, it will be 5. Then 2x equal, move the negative 3 here to right hand side by changing the sign. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then we can divide it by 2. The value of x will be 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Question letter B. If volume of sphere equals 36 pi cubic centimeter, find the surface area of area in term of pi. Okay. First step, he give us the volume of sphere. We know the volume of sphere equal 4 over 3 by r power 3. It's the rule of volume of sphere. Then you can write the volume here equal 36 pi, okay, equal 4 over 3 by r power 3. You can cancel pi with pi, and then r power 3 equal 36 product the inverse about this fraction. It will be 3 over 4. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. 3 times 9 equal 27 equal r power 3. Then the radius will be cubic root of 27. Then the radius will be 3 centimeter. And then you will find the area. The area of sphere equal 4 by r power 2. 4 by r power 2. You can write 4 product by r power 2. R here equal 3. 3 power 2, it will be 9. Then the result will be 4 pi times 9, it will be 36 by cubic centimeter, square centimeter. It's the area, but the volume was 36 by cubic centimeter. Then the area will be 36 by square centimeter. Next question, represent graphically relation y equal 3 minus 2x. You can draw the table here, relation between x and y. Put x equals 0, 1 and 2. 3 minus 0, it will be 3. 3 minus 2, it will be 1. 2 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 4, it will be negative 1. And draw with x-axis and y-axis here. 1, 2, 3. And here 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, 0 and 1. Put 0 and 1, and next, sorry, 0 to 3, 0 to 3 here, 1 to 1, 2 to negative 1, and then draw a straight line, but draw 3 points here. Okay, question letter B. We have x root 6 over root 6 plus root 5 over root 6 minus root 5. Prove that x plus 1 over root x equal 22. First step, you can simplify x here by product the conjugate to denominator. We have x was equal root 6 plus root 5 over root 6 minus root 5. Product by the conjugate to denominator, root 6 plus root 5, and here root 6 plus root 5. Then the value of x equal root 6 times root 6 equal 6, because we have two conjugate in denominator. The product between them, it will first by first, subtract second by second. And here root 6 times root 6 equals 6. Root 6 times root 5, it will be root 5 times 6 equal 30. Okay, distributive here. And then root 5 times root 6, it will be root 30, and root 5 times root 5, it will be 5, and then x will be equal 6 plus 5 equal 11, and root 30 plus 30, it will be 2 root 30. This is the value of x. You want to find x plus 1 over x. You can write 1 over x, 1 over 11 plus 2 root 30. By product the conjugate to the numerator, 1 subtract 2 root 30, 1 subtract 2 root 30 to simplest this expression. Okay, you can write here x equal 1 times 11 equal 11, subtract 2 root 30, and here 121, 11 times 11, subtract 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 30 equal 120. So what? It's 1 over x. We have x and 1 over x. We must add them to find the result 20. You must add x and this. You can simply state again 121 subtract 120, it will be 1, and the result will be 11 subtract 2 square root of 30. It's the value of 1 over root x. Then he won't find x plus 1 over root x. We can put x here, 11 plus 2 root 30, and then you can write here 1 over x, 11 subtract 2 root 30, and then you can cancel 2 root 30 by negative 2 root 30, and the result 11 plus 11, it will be 22, and the result here will be 22 about this example. It's the simplest form about this example. Okay, understood? Next, question number 5, simplify. About 5 root 3 plus 2 root 27, subtract 3 square root of 12, subtract 6 square root of 3rd. Write 5 root 3 plus 2 product square root of 27, it will be 9 times 3, and square root of 12, it will be 4 times 3, 6 times 1 over 3 square root, it will be 1 over root 3 product by root 3, numerator and denominator here, to simplify the result. And then you can write 5 root 3 plus 2 times 3 equals 6, and root 9 again, square root of 3, it will 9 equal 3, 3 times 2 equals 6. Understood? Square root of 9, it will be 3, 3 times 2 6, and square root of 3 here. Square root of 4 equal 2, 2 times 3 equals 6, and the remainder square root of 3. And root 3 times root 3 equals 3, 6 divided by 3 equal 2 times root 3. And then we can find the result in the simplest form, cancel two terms by here, and 5 root 3 subtract by 2 root 3, 5 minus 2 equals 3, square root of 3. It's the result about this example. Next example, you can find the result of the value here of the k and x. Okay, x will be what? We have 35, 34. X will be 34. Okay, this seat here 35, he add the 10. Okay, 15, 25, 35, 45. X will be 45, and you can find the value of k plus 1 here equal, write 30, subtract the sum of all values, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 4 25, 25 plus 2 27. Then k plus 1 equals 30 minus 27, it will be 3. Then k will be equal to, because 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then you can complete this example by drawing the table and write x and k and product between x and k, and the mean equal summation of x product by k over the summation of k. It's very easy for you. Okay, you can solve it.